Welcome to Futures OS. This is your trading operating system built around how you actually work each day. When you log in, the first stop is the pre-flight check labeled, "Can I trade?" Before you place a trade, Futures OS asks you to check in, physically, mentally, emotionally, and from a discipline standpoint. Answer the questions honestly. You can customize both the questions and the scoring to match your own standards. Once you submit, you get a readiness score. That score comes with specific recommendations based on your actual trading history, not generic advice. It identifies the behavioral patterns that are costing you money right now and puts a dollar figure on each one. It also maps out your optimal trading window for the day, flagging any hours where your history says to be careful. The pre-flight is done by account, so if you trade multiple prop firm accounts, each one can show a different behavioral picture. Same trading window, but your patterns may vary by account. Once you know your window and your warning signs, you move back to the dashboard and to today's plan. The next stop is today's plan. As you trade, you log each position quickly without breaking your focus. Today's plan keeps you honest against your own rules in real time. It won't stop you from trading, but it will warn you when you're approaching or crossing one of your daily limits. Below that, your daily performance stats update live, trades taken, win rate, and your discipline score. Click the discipline score and it pulls you straight into your discipline analytics. Back on the dashboard, below your daily KPIs, is your prop firm compliance panel. This is tied to whichever account you have selected. Switch accounts and the compliance rules update automatically. Drawdown buffer, profit target, consistency rule, and whether your drawdown is intraday or end of day. So you always know exactly where you stand before the platform tells you it's over. At the very top of the dashboard is the Safe to Trade indicator. It's color-coded green, yellow, and red, and it's tied to the economic calendar. When a high-impact news event is approaching, it warns you at 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes out. Below that, you'll see the equity for whichever account you have selected. Switch accounts and it updates in real time. You can toggle between net and gross and change the time frame to see how that account is performing over time. Underneath that is your prop firm ROI tracker. If you're trading across multiple prop firms, this shows you your return at the firm level. Click through to the full tracker, and you can drill down into your payout history, your fees, and whether each firm has actually been profitable for you. This is your ledger, your business financials, in one place. Below ROI, you have your recent trades for the selected account. Click any trade to open it. If you notice a discrepancy, a fee error, a commission issue, you can edit it directly. You can also add emotional and psychological data to any trade at any time. The columns on this table are resizable, so you can arrange the view around whatever data matters most to you right now. This is the economic calendar. It shows you USD events that could move the market, filtered down to what actually matters for futures traders. Today's status is shown at the top. If it's clear, you'll see a clean calendar indicator, no high-impact events to worry about. If something is coming, it'll be right there in front of you before you ever open a position. Below that is your upcoming events list. Each event is labeled by day and impact level. High-impact events are flagged in red: CPI, PPI, retail sales, Fed releases. These are the events that move markets hard and fast. Use this before your session. Know what's on the calendar. Know when to be careful and when to stay out entirely. At the top right of the dashboard is market sentiment. This is an AI-driven analysis of what's happening in the market right now. Because it's AI, validate what you're reading. The sources used for the analysis are listed right there. It refreshes every 30 minutes. Below that is your trader sentiment score. This one is about you, not the market. It looks at your win rate, rule adherence, and drawdown on this account, and gives you a score out of 100 and whether you're in a rhythm. It's a behavioral warning system built from your own data. The news feed below that is pulled by AI agents running in the background, filtering for stories that could be moving the futures market. Click any headline and it takes you directly to the source so you can validate what you're reading. When you're ready to log a trade, you have two options. For CSV import, click Log Trade, select your account, and upload your CSV file from your broker. It's imported instantly into the account you selected. For manual entry, select your account, choose your market condition, your strategy, your direction, entry price, stop loss and commissions. Futures OS calculates your P&L automatically. After the trade data, you get the reflection section. This is where you add your psychology, your mental state, what you learned, what you'd do differently. Your broker can't track this, only you can. The analytics get significantly more valuable after 50 trades. Some scoring systems require a minimum of 15 trades before they'll give you a reading, because the data needs enough history to be meaningful. The Review tab lists all your trades for the selected account. Click any trade for a full breakdown of what happened and how it fits into your broader patterns. The Analytics section is where Futures OS earns its place. You have 22 behavioral detectors analyzing your trades, reporting back on your trading identity. This is where you see what's working, what's costing you money, and where to focus. Performance has charts for your accounts, equity curve, drawdown, P&L distribution, and monthly P&L. Calendar shows your daily P&L at a glance. Click any day to see the individual trades from that session. You can also add daily journal notes directly to the calendar. Behavior. Your behavioral patterns flagged by the detectors. Acknowledge them, work on them, or dismiss them. Each one has a drop-down for more detail and a customizable time range. This is your risk discipline screen. This is where you see the gap between what you said you'd do and what you actually did. Overtrading correlation is, did trading more today help you or hurt you? This answers that question with your own data. Daily drawdown. Proximity shows how close are you getting to your daily limit. This tracks your total days, your breaches, and your close calls. Expand it to see your worst days ranked. If you're staying well within your limits consistently, it'll tell you that too. Position size. Adherence shows if you're staying consistent with your position sizing or sizing up emotionally. This fills in as your trade history grows. Stop-loss adherence unlocks if you log your stop-loss prices. It compares where you plan to exit versus where you actually did. Most traders don't want to see this. That's exactly why it's here. Stop widening tracks, whether you're moving your stop further away after you're already in the trade. A small habit that quietly destroys accounts. This is your context analytics screen. This answers a question most traders never think to ask. Does the environment you're trading in actually affect your results? Setup Edge ranking looks at every setup you use, ranked by how well it performs in the current market conditions. Not just overall, but right now in this environment. It tells you which setups have a real edge and which ones are dragging you down. News event trading tells you, how do you perform around high-impact news events? This breaks it down, before the event, during, and after. Some traders thrive around news, most don't. This tells you which one you are. Market Regime Edge tells you if are you better in trending markets or volatile ones. This section breaks your performance down by market condition. Trending up, trending down, and volatile. Use it to know when your style has an edge and when to step back. Manual Exit Cliff tracks what happens when you exit a trade manually versus letting your plan play out. If your manual exits are consistently worse than your planned exits, that's your emotions overriding your system, and this proves it. Setup. Your strategies broken down by win rate and performance. See exactly which setups are working on each account. AI Insights. This is the AI agent's analysis of your specific account. It tells you your priorities for the week, what behavioral patterns are hurting you, what time slots are working, and where to focus. Click Regenerate to get a fresh read based on your latest data. This is your Discipline Analytics screen. The 5 summary cards give you a quick read on your overall discipline, your average score, your recent trend, your calm win rate, your current streak, and your conviction level. Emotional state win rates shows how your win rate changes based on your emotional state when you took the trade. Calm, high fear, high greed. The more you fill in your emotional state during trade entry, the more powerful this becomes. The win rate by mental state is the same concept, but focused on your mental state. Are you sharp, distracted, fatigued? Log it on your trades, and this section tells you exactly how your mental state is affecting your results. The conviction versus outcome answers a simple question. Do you actually trade better when you believe in the trade? High conviction versus low conviction, side by side. Once you have enough data, this becomes one of the most revealing sections on the platform. The win rate by time of day shows you when you trade best. Morning, midday, afternoon, broken down by win rate. Use this to protect your best hours and reconsider the ones that are costing you. Setup performance is your strategy leaderboard. Every setup you've used, ranked by win rate and net P&L. You can see at a glance which setups are making you money and which ones aren't pulling their weight. This is where you stop guessing and start making data-driven decisions about how you trade. This is your monthly review. Each month is laid out as its own section, showing you not just how you performed, but how your behavioral patterns changed compared to the month before. For each month, you'll see which patterns improved, which ones stayed the same, and which ones got worse. It also shows your active patterns for that month, the behaviors that were showing up consistently in your trading. This is what separates Futures OS from a regular journal. It's not just tracking your P&L month over month, it's tracking you, your habits, your discipline, your patterns, and showing you whether you're actually improving as a trader. At the bottom, the monthly P&L reference gives you the raw numbers, trades, win rate, and P&L for every month on this account. Look at both together. A good P&L month with worsening behavioral patterns is a warning sign. A tough P&L month with improving patterns means you're heading in the right direction. The trend that matters most isn't your P&L, it's who you're becoming as a trader. The Evil Survival Simulator takes your actual trading history and tests it against prop firm evaluation rules. Select an account, choose a platform, Apex, TopStep, or others, and it tells you whether your trading would have passed or failed that eval. It shows you your best days, flags consistency rule issues, and gives you the specific information you need to understand how to pass. The Market Intelligence tab is your economic calendar, listing every high-impact event for the current period. Click on any event type, FOMC, housing reports, CPI, and it shows you your historical success rate trading around that event on this account, so you know which events to trade through and which ones to sit out. The journal is a complete record of every trade on the selected account. Open any entry to review the full details. Edit anything that needs correcting. It's your audit trail. The Strategies section is where you manage the trade setups that appear during manual entry. Check or uncheck the predefined strategies to keep your entry screen clean. Add custom strategies. Name them whatever you want, and they show up immediately when you log your next trade. You can manage your daily trading rules here, or use one of the built-in presets for Apex, TopStep, or other prop firms. Select a preset and your rules are populated automatically. These are the rules that show up on your dashboard compliance panel per account in real time. The portfolio section is where you run your trading like a business. Add any account, eval, funded, live, from any prop firm. If your firm isn't in the list, select other and type it in. Same for your platform. The ROI tracker here is the same data as your dashboard, with more drill-down detail per firm and per account. The payouts and expenses ledger is your full business P&L, what you've earned, what you've spent by account and by date. This is how you know if trading is actually making you money. And that's Futures OS. If you have questions, reach out at admin@futures-os.app. Thanks for being here.